Hello everyone, welcome to Econ 252, the crash course on macroeconomics. So I just wanted to record a short video to introduce myself and also go over the syllabus shortly. Um, so that's like to confirm that we are all on the same page. So to tell you a little bit about myself, my name is Navid. And I'm coming from Iran. So Navid in Persian means good news. So if I say that I have a Navid for you, it means that I have good news for you. Um, I am in my fourth year of the PhD program, and I am right now researching on inequality and unemployment. Also, English is not my first language. So during our office hours, if you didn't understand a specific word that I am telling you, please ask me and let me repeat that or like confirm that we are on the same page. Um, so let's go over the slides, over the syllabus shortly. Okay. So I opened up the syllabus. Um, as you can see, here is my email address, and I hold office hours on Tuesdays from 7 to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Or if this time does not work for you, you can just send me an email and we can make an appointment and we can discuss the contents of the course. Professor Andres Vargas is also the course coordinator. Um, so, as I mentioned, in this course, we are going to study the macroeconomy and we are going to focus on US economy. And I think it is the best if we go uh, over the course schedule first. So this is a very like short course, but it is an intensive course as well. We're going to cover so many things in this short period of time. So it is an intensive course. Um, as you can see, you can see that we are covering like different topics, and you have three exams overall. You have two midterms and one final exam. So the first midterm is on July 21st, and so for the first exam you have 40 questions, and you should answer those questions in 1 hour and a half. However, you can choose any time spot during that day. So you can, for example, start your exam from 7 a.m. and you can finish that by 8:30 a.m. But once you sit down and start the exam, you cannot stop that and then run it again. So you should just devote 1 hour and a half in a row in a day. But you can choose any time of the day on 21st July. The same is happening on the in the second midterm, and you can choose any time window during July 29th. And also for the final exam, you have 3 days, uh, three uh, a window of a window of 3 days. You should choose the final exam lasts for 2 hours. So any time of the day that works for you, you should choose that and just sit down and do the final exam. Um, so in the final exam, you have 50 questions and 2 hours. Um, Also, you have 11 homework to do, and we will drop one of the homework that you got the lowest score, and the final score of you for the homeworks will be will be calculated for 10 of them. Uh, However, we cannot extend the due dates, and it is fixed at these dates that you can see. Um, so the first homework is due tonight. Today is July 15th, and 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 you can see the deadline for other homework as well. So this is the course schedule that you can see in this table. Let me go over the syllabus from the beginning again to make sure that if uh, uh, we cover everything or not. Um, I will just go over the important stuff here. Yeah, let me tell you about the points as well. So overall, I mean, in total, there are 300 points that you can get, and your final grade is based on these points that you are getting. For example, if you get 291 points, you will get A plus, and you can see the distribution of the points over the exams and homework assignments. So homework assignments have 60 points. So as I mentioned, there will be 10 homework assignments that we will grade, um, and each of them has 6 points. Each of the exams have 80 points, and this is it. Yeah, so yeah, if you want to appeal an exam, for example, you have a week to do that. Um, I explained this as well. Let me see. You may also understood that in the my Econ lab, for the homework problem, for most of homework problem, you will have 3 attempts, and you can use the Ask My Instructor icon there as well, and I will answer that as well. You can also just directly send me an email. I think I got some like emails that they told me that they cannot access the first homework. Some of them, I think they resolved their problem. But let me just show you how to go to the homework assignments as well. So when you go to the content here, for each chapter, for example, chapter 1, you will see the homework here, and if you click here, you will go directly to the um, homework 1, for example. Okay. And here, if you click on a question, I mean, you can see that there are, for example, 33 questions, and you should answer those. Um, okay. What else? Let me go over the exam policies as well. So for the exams, you can use your notes, but you cannot use the computer. So there is this lockdown browser that you should use, and but you can use your notes and, for example, calculator. And in case that you couldn't, I mean, there were like some kind of like emergency that those dates didn't work for you, please email me. Um, the last thing that I'm going to talk about is this yellow dig. So you can get 14 extra credit points, and it is just like a forum for discussing, and you can see that in detail here. That each week you can get, I think 1,000, yeah. Each week you can earn up to 1,250 yellow dig points, and at the end, these points will be converted into the credit points that you will have for this course, and it will be reset every week. And here you can see the detail of the yellow dig points. Um, Yeah, this is it. And I hope that we will have a very productive course together. And I hope that you enjoy this course.